Black wife effect, man. The black wife effect is real. Okay, this is something that needs to be studied in universities. I don't believe in much, but I believe in the black wife effect, and soon you will too. This is me before I met my wife. I look like if Machine Gun Kelly was anemic. I look like Water Gun Kelly. Who parted my hair? Moses? And how do I look like a little boy and an old woman at the same time? Like, this should be an illegal build. Enter the black wife, which I do every chance I get. You can't tell me that's not a miracle. You can't tell me that's not an improvement. What? Do you see this? Call me a leaky ceiling? 'Cause I got the drip. This one's just a thirst trap. I'll give you a sec. Dude, night and day. And I'm not just talking about our skin colors. The black wife effect? Give it the Pulitzer. Give it the Nobel Prize. Give it an Oscar. Give it a Tony. Make it an EGOT. Fucking black wife effect.
Is interracial.
Uninterested. Y'all see how he stood up for his wife without putting white women down? Yes, because unlike Pennywise, I don't play in the gutter. And actually, that's unfair to Pennywise, who, unlike these keyboard crustaceans, actually has a personality. I believe so strongly in the business upon which I stand that I actually don't need to take down another group, unless it's the group of molecules that commented on the original video. Also, why would I use this as an opportunity to knock down white women when our daughter, who is black and white, is gonna see this one day? Like, do you really think I want the person responsible for picking my nursing home to see me using one of her identities to knock down the other? Call me Ashton Kutcher around a bar of soap, because I am uninterested.